Hi guys, I'm really excited because I just received this pendant light for viewing purposes. It comes really well protected. Here are the installation instructions, and we have all the pieces that we are gonna need to do the proper installation, which I think that it's really nice. It has a really interesting design. This is a well pendant, and I think that it looks amazing. It's crystal, and I think that it's really nice. Okay, we have this main central part where we're gonna place the light bulbs, and we get included the proper light bulbs that we are gonna use with this lamp, which I think that it's really great. As you can see, they have this E12 base, and I think that it's gonna be really nice. Okay, so let's start assembling everything up and test it out. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the assembly process, it's actually really easy. It doesn't take that much long, and the instructions are really clear, and I love this elegant and nice matte black crystal that it has. I think it gives a really modern design, and I think that it's really nice. It's also great that you can decide the length of the cord, so you can adjust them to however you need, and I think that it's gonna do a really nice work wherever you want to place it. Your kitchen island, your dining room, however you like them. I think they look amazing. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already installed. As you can see, I placed two of them, and I think that they give a really beautiful look to where you want to place them. I think they're going to be perfect for your kitchen island, your dining room, or where you want to place them. I think that they look beautiful. They have a really elegant design. This part is all crystal, and I think that they look amazing. And overall, I like them a lot. As you can see, they were really easy to install, and I would really recommend them. See you guys.